Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Kuflink. Kuflink Personal Loan Review, a look at my usage experience. Kuflink, a peer-to-peer lending platform, focuses primarily on loans secured by property. This makes it a viable alternative to traditional personal loan providers. While Kuflink's main clientele consists of property investors and developers, individuals seeking secured personal loans for property-related expenses can also benefit from its services. Kuflink facilitates loans backed by real estate, mitigating risk for lenders and providing borrowers access to competitive interest rates compared to unsecured loan options. Loan amounts typically begin at £50,000 and can reach several million pounds, catering to larger projects such as home renovations, property acquisitions, or business expansions. Repayment terms offer flexibility, spanning from a few months to several years, tailored to the specific loan type and individual borrower profile. One of Kuflink's most notable features is its expedited approval process. Loan decisions are often rendered within days, a significant improvement over the often lengthy processing times of traditional banks. Kuflink's lending model connects both individual and institutional investors with borrowers, ensuring efficient funding. Furthermore, the platform prioritizes security. All loans are secured by tangible assets, usually property, which minimizes the risk of default. Another significant advantage is the absence of early repayment penalties. Borrowers can repay their loans ahead of schedule without incurring additional costs. This platform is ideally suited for individuals or businesses seeking secured loans with more favorable rates and greater flexibility than those offered by conventional banks. However, because these loans require property as collateral, Kuflink might not be suitable for individuals lacking real estate assets. The application process is straightforward, involving basic personal information, credit checks, and property valuations prior to loan approval. In summary, Kuflink offers a robust alternative to traditional lenders, especially for those in need of property-backed personal loans. Its competitive rates, rapid approvals, and secure lending environment make it an appealing option for borrowers seeking flexible financing solutions. For more information, or to apply today, check out the link in the description below.